Would legalize gay marriage, but it's already legalized, so yeah. You cannot die from any cause. But physical degradation is still effective, meaning that your organs and flesh will rot once again as essentially finished, but you still be alive as a skeleton. Only the skeleton is invincible. Duh, would love to be skeleton. Get a bow and arrow. Idiots. They release all Pokemon games in one, but the soundtrack is all Nickelback, and it always has to play when you want to play it. Dude, I love Nickelback. Shut up. I don't care. You become immortal, but you can never move again. I like moving. Nice job, Matt Stiller. You become incredibly attractive to the opposite gender, but develop gender identity. I don't like to. You can get any electronics you like, but you have no. You're able to breathe underwater indefinitely, but it will still feel like you're drowning. Nah. Yeah. That was bad. You will have any existing superpower, but your weakness would be seeing your greatest fear. Well, my greatest fear is dying, and if I have any existing superpower, it would be invincibility, which means I would never die, which means my weakness. Yeah, okay. Well, except me. You become president, but have to kill 3 of your own nation. I don't even have a president. And holy crap, 46 years ago? 46. Don't this mean days ago or something? I don't like killing my nation. I don't even have a president. You will be able to memorize anything you want, but to do so, you have to inject a needle into you. Ow! Wouldn't that just pop your eye? You will become one of the Power Rangers of your choice, but one of your favorite Power Rangers will die 24 hours after you meet him or her. I would love to be the red one, and my favorite one is the blue one, so I don't want him to die. You get powers of a demon and are not evil, but when people first meet you, they think you are evil. Dude, people already think I'm evil. You have the power to fly, but you don't have arms. Dude, I want arms because I like playing tough stuff, I mean. You can live anywhere you want in any kind of house you want, but you have to always wear French. No! You have the ability to feel the effect of any drug of your choice without any physical or mental downside. You have to listen to the entire song of Bewitched by Blood on the dance floor once, not even every time you do it. Just once, and it's over. I don't like drugs. Idiots. Drugs. Idiot. You can fly like a superhero, but you squirt out more and more blood crap, the faster. No. I don't want to spread it out. You will be able to read minds, but you can't turn it off. You will hear the thoughts of every person. Dude, I would love this. You get the home of your dreams, but all televisions, when on, look and sound like static to you. Bad. You have super speed, but you always have to be moving. I can move my foot, so yeah! Idiots, why don't they just like move your foot? Move your foot. Like, you could travel the world in seconds and no one will know you're gone. You will become internet famous, but you will have the most annoying fan base. Dude, I love you guys. You're not annoying. Well, the one of you here. Hi, Pop. You can murder anyone you want without legal or moral consequences, but someone will attempt to kill you every day for the rest of your life. It says attempt. It doesn't say exceed. See attempt, not exceed. So boom. Idiots. That was a good one. You get to buy some Girl Scout cookies. It'll cost you about $3.50. $3.50. Okay. $3.50. Well, it says $3.50. So all I gotta do is get some fitty tree. Troy. I think $3.50 is $350, but you know, don't really care. You will rapidly heal from any injury, but all injuries will leave grotesque scars once healed that cannot be removed. I don't know what that means. You can smoke all the weed you want for the rest of your life, but you have to smoke a whole cigarette in one hit. I don't like drugs. Bad. You can turn ordinary water into any alcoholic, but every other non-alcoholic drink will taste like water. Bad. Well, this is going to be a fun one. You may live within any fictional universe of your choice, but you are in no way extraordinary and change in no way whatsoever when you enter the universe. If you were to choose the Harry Potter universe, there would not be the Harry Potter universe. They would not be a wizard / witch. Duh. Well, that's good, and thank you for watching this video. See you next time, and bye.